Guys, Haxer Tech here for another video, and today I'm going to be doing a review of another mono microphone. So today we're doing the MAONO PD100X, and I will be recording all audio through this device. That way you can compare this, in terms of the sound quality with the other devices that I've compared it with. Now this particular microphone, it has an XLR connection, so you can use it actually with the MAONO mixer if you have that device, which I separately reviewed in another video. But you can also use it just directly. It has a USB-C connection, so you can use it either way. It works really great in both scenarios with everything that I've tested so far. But because I am recording this video using this microphone, you'll be able to compare the audio with all the other devices that I've tested, and you can let me know what you think, how it sounds. So leave a comment below as you're watching the video, what you think about the sound quality. But I'm going to go ahead and also take you around the device so you can see all the different features it has, how it looks and compares to some of the other devices. What I really like about the MAONO devices, is that each of those devices, each microphone has its own sort of custom look and feel. The materials vary a little bit. Sound quality is going to vary across the different devices. They all have their own unique advantages. But let's go ahead and take a look at the device. And again, I'm also going to do an unboxing as well so you can see everything that you get in the box. Okay, so here you can see on the actual microphone itself. On the microphone, you have a mute switch. You can just tap on that. It easily mutes or unmutes the microphone. You'll see that it turns red when it's muted on the light indicator here. And if you press in on this button here, it turns dark blue or goes back to this light blue or white color. That is going to toggle between the headphone option and the microphone option. And then we're looking on the back here of the microphone. You can see that there is a headphone connector, and I can also change the color. So I can swap between all the different color options here. So I can swap between solid colors. I can turn it off, or I can go back to the multicolor option. Then, of course, I have the XLR connection at the top, which can be used with the mono mixer, or you can use the USB-C connection to left. And then finally, we have the arm here. You can see I can swivel this, good adjustment angles that I can use to move this up and down, left and right, and just adjust this to whatever height and angle that I prefer. And those are the basic things that you'll need to know before we get into the unboxing. So let's go ahead and move into the actual unboxing so you can see what comes in the package. And again, let me know what you guys think about the sound quality of this microphone. Okay, so we're taking a look at the front of the box here. You can see it's got a really nice packaging for the PD100X series microphone. And now we're going to look on the top here. It talks about some of the specific features here, programmable RGB capabilities, the connections. Here is the back of the box. And then if we look on the inside here, we've got our guide. Remove the top piece here. We've got our arm. We've got the actual microphone itself in the packaging. And then you can see a closer look at the actual microphone itself. I really like the style of this microphone. It's got a really nice foam covering as well. Then, of course, the connections on the back here. Also really easy to install and set up. And then finally, you have your USB-C cable. Now this can be used as a USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A. Okay, and the final thing that I wanted to show here is the MAONO Link software. So once you download the app, you can download the software from the MAONO website. It's called MAONO Link. And then once you connect your device, I can just click on it, and it's going to give me quite a few options to modify the settings of my microphone. So here I can actually mute the device, I can adjust the gain, adjust the headphone settings, turn on and off components of the device. I can also shift the tone of my voice and change it to deep, or I can switch it back to original. There's a natural setting as well, which is just going to adjust the tone of my voice. I can also turn off or on the RGB lighting and adjust the brightness of the RGB lighting as well. I can even change the color from static to pulsing. So if I want the lights to constantly flicker or pulse, I can enable the pulse setting or static if I want the color just to stay single color. Then I can just quickly choose between the colors that I want to set for the RGB lighting, which I showed earlier in the video. Finally, if we go to the advanced settings, you can see I can adjust the gain, the headphone volume, I can turn on or off. Setting here, I can change the EQ settings, my limiter, compressor, and noise reduction as well. So there's a lot of really good options to fine tune all the controls of your microphone here in the MonoLink software. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound quality of this microphone. Let me know any questions or comments that you have below. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.